Alright, this is Kazi, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable or enable first startup on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, go to the search bar and search for the control panel. Here is the control panel. You need to go on this, and then from here you need to select the hardware and sound option. So tap on this, and then again from here you need to go to the power options, select that as well. So from here on the left upper side you will see choose what the power buttons do. You need to select this option, and there you have it. So here is the option to turn on the first startup. So as you can see, we cannot actually turn this on or off, but if you just go through this, you need to tap on this option, change settings for that are not currently available. So you need to tap on that, and then from here you need to just simply, if you want to turn off, you can simply turn this off like this, and then on the bottom side you will see the save changes option. So you need to tap on the save changes, and there you have it. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, please do like and have a very good day.